The View co-host Sunny Hostin's husband, Emmanuel Hostin, has been accused of federal insurance fraud.
Sunny Hostin, her husband accused of committing federal insurance fraud in a...
Sunny Hostin and her husband, Dr. Emmanuel Manny Hostin, were once regarded as the epitome of a power couple, a legal expert and television star alongside a renowned orthopedic surgeon. However, beneath the surface of their seemingly flawless success, a storm has erupted that nobody anticipated. Their once thriving financial empire has spiraled into a staggering pit of debt, and scandal now looms over every aspect of their lives. The couple has filed for bankruptcy, with details that are as shocking as they are controversial. At the center of it all is a massive legal battle involving Manny, with a lawsuit that could easily be mistaken for the plot of a high-stakes crime drama. So how did everything unravel so quickly?
He's just accused, and this accused in a lawsuit, after some time of investigation, could ultimately become a federal indictment.
Let's rewind a few years. Sunny Hostin had become a household name, admired for her sharp legal insights and bold commentary on The View. Meanwhile, her husband, Dr. Emmanuel Manny Hostin, earned a stellar reputation as one of New York's top orthopedic surgeons, managing his own clinic, Hostin Orthopedics, and sports medicine. As a couple, they seemed to have it all: successful careers, a lavish lifestyle, and an image of perfection that appeared unbreakable. But, as it turns out, that carefully crafted image was far more fragile than anyone could have imagined.
The documents, he knowingly provided fraudulent medical and other healthcare services, including arthroscopic surgery.
The first sign of trouble came with their unexpected bankruptcy filing, leaving insiders in disbelief. How could a couple earning millions suddenly find themselves buried in debt? Court documents reveal that their liabilities far exceed their assets, and the figures are shocking. Even Sunny's substantial salary from The View barely makes a dent in the massive financial obligations they've racked up. From extravagant wardrobes to expansive real estate holdings, their lavish lifestyle, once carefully curated for public admiration, now seems to have been built on fragile ground that has crumbled under the weight of mounting lawsuits and hefty legal fees. The timing of the bankruptcy filing raises eyebrows, sparking speculation about its strategic nature. Some legal experts suggest it could be a calculated attempt to protect their remaining assets. Declaring bankruptcy might provide some shelter from the barrage of lawsuits piling up, particularly the one currently dominating the headlines, the case against Emmanuel Hostin. Yes, you read that correctly. A lawsuit that draws from the same legal framework used to dismantle organized crime syndicates. This isn't just any legal dispute, it's a full-blown nightmare.
This is the largest RICO case ever filed in the state of New York. You guys wrap that around your brain. That's bigger than the
lawsuit filed by the American Transit Insurance Company accuses Dr. Emmanuel Manny Hostin of being at the heart of a vast insurance fraud scheme that allegedly drained millions from the healthcare system. The accusations are nothing short of explosive. According to the 698-page complaint, Dr. Hostin, along with nearly 200 other defendants, conspired to perform unnecessary surgeries and submit fraudulent medical bills. The lawsuit claims that this network of medical professionals, including Hostin, exploited New York's no-fault insurance laws, which require companies to cover medical expenses for car accident victims regardless of fault. It's alleged that Hostin took advantage of this system, billing for procedures that were either completely unnecessary or never performed at all. The potential financial damage is staggering, an estimated $450 million. Yes, you read that right.
He was scamming insurance companies from taxi drivers, Uber drivers, and Lyft drivers. He was performing unnecessary surgeries and then providing fraudulent medical services.
The allegations don't end there. The lawsuit paints a chilling picture of a highly organized operation involving kickbacks, falsified medical records, and fake surgeries. Dr. Hostin is accused of accepting kickbacks disguised as legitimate business investments, all while allegedly performing unnecessary surgeries on patients who didn't require them. One disturbing example includes a patient involved in a minor fender bender who underwent arthroscopic surgery, despite showing no signs of significant injury. According to the complaint, such cases were not isolated incidents. They were part of an ongoing pattern of fraudulent activity.
Denied the allegations via a statement through his lawyer, telling Daily Mail that his client, quote, denies each and every allegation and that the lawsuit is a blanket, scattershot, meritless